We spent the night in our car, sleeping at a campsite outside a church in southern France. Our plan was to head straight through Switzerland down to Italy, where we would sleep the night before heading into Milan. Switzerland had different plans for us. We learned a hard lesson in the importance of engine braking. We decided to stay the night at a village along a river while we let the brakes cool for the night. After we set up camp, we decided to check on the condition of the brakes. We found out that they were brand new, so they wouldn't be a problem as long as we used them correctly the rest of the trip. In the morning, it was again time to head for the Italian border. Ahead of us lied some of the most stunning mountains we'd ever seen in our lives. We had to make a stop for fuel, so we took advantage of the stop to stretch our legs and check out the town. This city had some of the weirdest blue water we've ever seen, although there was a couple other lakes as we noticed along the way after. The town also had a logging convention going on, which was really cool to see while we were looking around for food.